How are you today? And today I am Deb. You are in the kitchen with Deb, and we are talking about how to easily declutter one area in a room. And today we're going to make it the kitchen. Okay, you probably have other rooms that need decluttering too. Maybe your bedroom, there's an area in your bedroom where you just throw everything in the corner, get it away from everybody, or your closet. Or maybe you need to go through your books, whatever it is. Now let's just take the kitchen for example. In the kitchen, let's just say you've got stuff all over your countertops and on top of your kitchen table and under your kitchen table, on the side of the kitchen table. And you're looking at it going, oh God, I really got to get to this table. It's getting to be Thanksgiving. I got company coming. They're going to be wanting to come over. I got to find something to do with all this stuff. I have a small home. What do I do? And you're like, I really don't want to do this. I'm going to go back to work and do my work. And you end up doing something else because you put it off. Now, we had our 5-minute, 15-day challenge. Now that's coming up to an end now. Now here's another way you can challenge yourself. And this is probably the easiest way to do it and to get it done quickly and fast. Let's just say I want to declutter the table, the top of the table, under the table, and find some place to put it. And warning, it will get worse before it gets better, because this is how I would do it. And this is how I do it for my clients. I take everything off the kitchen table. I take everything out from under the kitchen table. I push it all out as best as I can. Take everything off the kitchen table, put that on the floor too, right next to all this stuff. And mostly everybody looks at me like, what am I going to do with all this stuff? I have to do something with it right now. Well, yes, that's the whole point. And I will pick up stuff. Does this go in the bedroom? Yeah, it goes in the bedroom. Find an empty box. We're going to label it bedroom. That's the bedroom pile. This is the garage pile. This has to stay in the kitchen pile. That is what I have my clients do. And then they take those piles into the various rooms. Now what's left, we have to find a place for in the kitchen, because you want to eat at your kitchen table. Your family wants to eat at the kitchen table. You want to do your bills at the kitchen table. Your husband wants to have his coffee and his snack at the kitchen table. You want it there for your family. Now, if you have to, get a little corner cabinet with little doors. You can get them at 15 inches wide. Stick that in the corner, and then with stuff that was on the table that needs to be in the kitchen can go in that cabinet. And you could even put stuff on top of the cabinets, like Kleenex boxes or whatever it is. If you have a small home, you want the Kleenex in your kitchen, your extra paper towels, that could go on top of the cabinet. But use the inside to store all the other stuff, whether it be a food processor, extra utensils, put them in a basket and get them in that little cabinet. Or invest in some shelves, in a nice shelf where you could put 3 of your small appliances on, your can opener, your food processor, your toaster, whatever it is. Because I understand you have a small home, and I get that. You can't always worry about having that Pinterest kitchen. That doesn't work. Not with small homes. And we have so much stuff we use in our kitchens that we need to have that stuff. So now, remember, we've got all this stuff on the floor. We're scrambling to find a place for it. And my clients are ordering a cabinet off of Amazon afterwards, because we realized we could squeeze that cabinet right in that corner. Or they realize, hey, I need to order a shelf. So we put that in a little corner in the kitchen for the time being, whether it be on the floor or in a box. At least it's in the box and out of the way until we get that shelf. and then their husband can install it. That is actually one of the best ways to make yourself get the job done. You're clearing out that area. And you have to put the stuff somewhere, because you can't just leave it in the floor in the middle of the room. You need a place to walk, right? So it forces you to pay attention to that. Okay, I have to do something with this. I have to do something with that. You have to think. You have to really start thinking. Where do I put this? I can hide this in the bathroom. Oh, I can hide this in the linen closet. And all of a sudden your brain starts like going 240. I could put this here. I could put that here. I could do this. This could go in the other room. This will look nice there. This can go in the living room. This box can go in the living room. I can deal with that later. And you come up with all these creative solutions because you need to make room in the kitchen. And you know hubby's coming home and you want to get it done before he's home. So you're rocking and rolling and you're going. And you don't realize the momentum you're building up. Just cleaning up. And you're looking at something going, yeah, I don't need this anymore. Why don't I donate it? You got your donate pile. You're like, I don't know why I saved this for so long. We all do that. I don't use it. I haven't used it in 5 years. That is the quickest way to get that area decluttered and cleaned out. Now, once it's decluttered and cleaned out, that's up to you and your family, and you get on your family about keeping that area clean. Because you went through, you took everything out, you threw it all over the kitchen floor, and you dealt with it. And you're like, I am not doing that again, you're probably saying to yourself. And you won't have to do it again. Because it's done. And you're making sure they keep up on it. Honey, I know you're used to putting all your stuff on the kitchen table when you walk in. Not anymore. Here's your box. Put it in there. And if it gets filled, figure out where you want to put it, or here's your area, put it in your area. You're going to have to keep on top of them, the family, and the kids. Okay. Nope, homework in your room unless you're doing your homework right here, right now. Goes in the room. Backpack, get it out of here. In your room, or wherever your designated area is. Now, if you have any questions on this, let me know. I know the thought of it is going to scare you out of your mind. Make sure you have the time to do it. It forces you to do it. It forces you to get it done. And you do get it done. I am not kidding. You get it done whether you want it done or not. I know my client's initial action is, ah! I've seen it. So that's another way to challenge yourself. Thank you, ladies, for your time. Questions, comments? I'm here for you. Let me know. Thank you.